Oh, I didn't know about that. Where'd you get it at? So, it's like a cooking show. What are you doing here?
Well, this is called a pizza stone. You don't have to spray it or anything. You just put the pizza right on, pop it in the oven.
This is the food channel. And okay. And how long does it go in for?
About 15, 17 minutes. There it goes. And now we wait.
Oh, that's bullshit! One more word out of you, and you're gone!
Pizza's done. Well, first we gotta turn off the oven. Stop. Turn the timer off. Oh, that's definitely wrong. You don't want to do that. Use hand mittens.
Cool. Action!
And that is how the pizza's cut.
You gotta cut it first, and then...
Oh.
I'll make this bite a little bit smaller for me. Oh, this cuts so beautifully on this pizza stone. Isn't even chicken or nothing. Oh, that's hot. This is beautiful.
And there you have it. And that is how the pizza's cut.